Welcome to my channel, Mainframe Concepts, where we talk about mainframe concepts. There is a lot of talk about AI being able to convert COBOL code to some other language. In this video, we will attempt to convert a COBOL program to PL1, which is another mainframe programming language. We will enter commands to Brave AI to have it transform a simple COBOL program to PL1 and then run the transformed code and see how AI works. We will use this COBOL program and tell Leo to transform this to PL1. The code is generated, so we copy and paste it to send it to the mainframe. We create a new file and paste the generated code. Let's change the program name and save it. Then send it to the mainframe to execute. If you would like to know how we can edit a file off the mainframe and then submit it to MVS Tk5, see our previous video. The file has run and let's check the output. The compile step has an error. Let's see what the error is and let Leo figure it out and fix it or attempt to fix it. These are the errors. We will copy them and let Leo know. What do you think is the error? Put it in the comments section below. Leo responds with what it thinks is the error. Did it match your conclusion? Let's see if Leo got it right. Apparently not. It was suggesting that we separate the source code from the JCL. Let's tell it that its response is not correct. And he says? It also points out something that needs to be taken out. Let's remove that. Now let's copy the generated text and submit the job and see the result. Let's make sure we are looking at the right job. It still has an error. Can you see where the error is? Put it on the comments. Okay, I will show you what the error is. Can you see it? Now, let's submit the changed source code and see what happens. It worked. Can you see the error? Let's tell Leo what the error was. Last chance to guess what the error was. And Leo says, he also generated a new program. Let's copy that and run it. It worked. So Leo has converted COBOL to PL1 with help from us. I do not think it is still ready for prime time if it could not convert a simple program. It is getting there though. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And put the topics you want me to produce in the comments section below. God bless you.